Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon EMR serverless for cost-saving analytics. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type EMR and select Amazon EMR from the drop-down. Click on the Create Cluster button. Select the serverless option to configure an EMR serverless application. Choose a name for your application in the application name field. Set your release version to the desired EMR version for compatibility. In the Application Configurations section, select the analytics frameworks you wish to use. For this tutorial, we will focus on Apache Spark. Set the maximum capacity based on your anticipated usage to control costs effectively. Specify the minimum capacity as a safeguard against underutilization. In the Network Configuration section, select the Virtual Private Cloud (VPC) that will host your EMR application. Ensure that you enable access to the necessary subnets for optimal network performance. Review the security configurations and adjust IAM roles to maintain secure access to your data source. Once you have confirmed that all information is accurate, click on the Create Application button. Wait for the status of your application to change to running. Now, navigate to the Monitoring tab to keep an eye on resource utilization and costs. To initiate analytics jobs, go to the Jobs tab and click on Create Job. Specify your input data and define the output location for the results. Select your chosen framework, like Spark, and configure it based on your analytics needs. Submit the job and monitor its progress within the console. Once the job is complete, check the results in the specified output location. To save on costs, review and adjust your maximum and minimum capacities regularly based on usage patterns. Utilize spot instances where appropriate to further enhance cost efficiency. Regularly assess your network and security configurations to ensure alignment with best practices. Make adjustments based on the performance and cost reports you gather over time. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and manage an Amazon EMR serverless application for cost-saving analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.